I'm here, I'm first. Ha ha!
Hey there, Diggs. Where's everybody else?
Somewhere behind me in my dust trail. Can I get started, Bozer?
Glad you're rev, Diggs. But let's wait for the others. We're going to need all pistons firing today.
Morning.
Morning. Hello.
Good morning, Bozer.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today, we're going to be preparing the site so we can lay cables tomorrow.
Ooh.
But first, we'll need all these materials off the dock and onto the site.
What are we waiting for? Let's go! Vroom! Woohoo! Vroom! Look out! Ha-ha! Here I come! Woohoo!
Hey, watch it speed, demon.
Yeah! Load empty! Ha 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 ha! Job done! I won!
One?
Wait a minute.
What are you talking about?
No race was ever mentioned.
All right. Gear down, everybody. What's the problem?
I got my job done before anybody else. I won. That's all.
Won what? It wasn't exactly like we knew it was a contest.
Well, now you know.
Oh, that's
No,
not fair.
come on.
We want to
Hold
win.
on to your horsepower there.
Perhaps we could have a contest. I can think of a number of different jobs that will challenge what everyone is good at. Lifting, dumping, and loading.
Ha ha!
Yeah, Captain! Great!
We could call it the Machine Challenge.
Machine challenge? Top gear. And will there be a prize, Bozer?
Oh, yes. So, make sure you're all fueled up, and we'll begin right away. Line behind. Line behind.
Oh, this is so exciting. But challenges always make me feel so nervous.
Don't worry, Scooch. Just do your best.
Oh, Diggs, what races are you going to enter?
I'm going to enter them all, and I'm going to win them all. Varoom!
We'll see about that.
Let the Machine Challenge begin. Maxine? Could we hear a challenge blast, please?
Who is this?
Excellent. First, the lifting challenge. We'll be lifting and moving these pallets and oil drums to the finish line. All those wishing to compete, roll forward.
Make room for me. Make room for me.
Oh, you fancy yourself as a lifter, eh, Dix?
Hey, why not? What could be so hard about it? You lift, you roll with it. Easy as diesel.
Machines ready, set. Lift.
I'm in the lead. This should be a cinch. Just got to get this up.
You mean like this, Diggs?
Go, go, go.
Call and carry wheel. We win! We win!
No problem. I'll just win the next event.
The next challenge is the roll and dump. Contestants will roll the dirt to the other side of the site as fast as they can.
Hey, I can handle a big load and get there fast too.
Ready, set. Roll and dump.
Oh yeah, sure. Anyone can start fast, but can you finish fast too?
This
Scooch and Lug win.
No. I can't finish at all. I'm no good at anything.
Diggs?
Oh, I really thought I could win something, Bozer. But so far, I'm nothing but a loser.
You're not a loser, Diggs. Those were tough challenges. You're a champion for trying.
But Carl and Carrie won the lifting. Scooch and Lug won the roll and dump. I didn't win anything.
There are more challenges ahead. You're not going to give up on me now, are you?
No.
That's my digger.
Congratulations on winning, guys.
Thanks.
You did pretty good yourself, Dix.
No, I didn't. But thanks for being nice.
The next challenge will be speed loading.
Loading? Did he say something about loading?
We'll need this scrap picked up and loaded into the skip at the finish line.
I'd like to enter this one, Bozer.
Excellent.
Yeah, count me in too, Bozer. I have the loading in me.
Okay, Carl.
I'll have a go at it. Maybe I'll win my second challenge.
We'll see about that.
All right then. Ready, set.
Come on, Dix!
I'm on your tailpipe, Diggs.
Then be prepared to whiff my exhaust. Ha ha!
Look at Dix go! He's smoking! Dix! 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 Dix!
Come on, Dix. Diggs win.
I won!
Well done, Diggs. Well done, everybody.
So, didn't you say there would be a prize, Bozer?
Absolutely.
Oh, what is it?
The prize is, as the site is now cleared, we get to lay cables today.
Me first! Eat my dust!
No, nothing.